There is no way I can step into Yoyoyo's case. You people should allow the court to take their decisions, because Yoyoyo, as a father, as a husband, did not play his role as a father. He did not play the role he was supposed to play in his family. May Edochie has just taken the right decision and taken the right path. This is exactly what Gov.Soludo replied Grandpa and Yoyoyo in his office. My people, not be small, this story will shock you. My people, according to the story that enter my cabal, something they happen, or so many things are actually happening on this Yoyoyo and May Edochie's issue. So many things are actually going on behind closed door that none of us on the internet, are actually aware of. The story that enter my cabal actually had it that few days ago, Grandpa was celebrating. He was happy. He was just celebrating because he thought, the step that he has taken will bring this divorce case out of court. Like May Edochie will agree at the end of the day that this should be withdrawn from the court and should be settled at home. My people, not be small story. According to the story where I gather, they said allegedly that like I said, so many things are going on behind closed door. The Edochie's Grandpa, is not happy the way this whole thing is going, especially the fact that these issues we are hearing about is not actually favoring Yoyoyo as his family actually expects. Okay, so according to the story, they said that a few days ago, Papet, where be Yoyoyo's father, went to meet one of his friends that is very close to the governor of Anambra State. Like, as in this friend of his that is very close to Gov.Soludo. So, what was he actually discussing with the man? He was pleading with his friend that his friend should help him and talk to Gov.Soludo, because to him he feels that if Gov.Soludo and his wife actually talk to Queen May, that Queen May will listen to them, and then she will agree that the case should be withdrawn from court and that they will settle it at home. My people will not be small. They said that was how Papet allegedly continued to narrate the story to his friend, asking his friend to help him and talk to the governor of Anambra State, that the governor should help them and talk to May Edochie so that this divorce case will come to an end, that May Edochie is a good daughter to him. They said that was what he was telling the friend, that May Edochie is a very good daughter in their family, especially to him, who will be the father of Yoyoyo, that they don't want May Edochie to leave the family, especially the fact that she wants to leave the family with all these properties that Yoyoyo has actually built there with her, that they don't want her to leave the family. They are still thinking, they are still assuming, they still know that these cases, they have not really signed the divorce paper. Yo has not signed the divorce paper. That May should agree that they should settle it at home. They want the case to be settled at home. My people not be small. They say that was how the friend of Papet now asked him why he did not come on time to meet him. Papet said that because of all that, he is confused at this stage, that he did not even know what to do. He was just running around looking for how he can get help. That is today that he remembered his friend. His friend said, okay, now that you have remembered me, trust me, I'm going to make sure that you are going to meet with the governor and you will present this case like you're presenting to me. As in, I can help you. But I know that when the governor will talk to May Edochie will agree as the governor now and his wife. So not be small. That was how this man, the friend of Papet, told him to go and rest. That he should be rest assured that this case will be settled. Now that he has come to him. So they now went. So because of the assurance that his friend, this grandpa's friend gave him, Grandpa was very happy. He was celebrating. They said they were drinking. He was drinking, celebrating that at least this very step, that he has taken, we actually favor them. Like when the governor and his wife will come in, that May Edochie anyhow will listen to the governor, because according to the story, allegedly, they said this governor and Yoyoyo, and the family, the Edochie family, have known themselves, before in the past, before this man become the governor of Anambra State, that he has known, known Yoyoyo, like in the past, before now. Because of this past relationship now, when the man was not a governor, maybe because of politics or business, he's not a new person to this family of this Edochie family. Okay, so Yoyoyo know this man ever before now. Okay, so that was how the friend said, okay, this friend of Pet said, no problem, that he's going to make sure that Grandpa will have a day that he and Yoyoyo will come and see the governor, so that both the governor and them will sit on one table and they will present their heart desire, and then the governor will say what he had to say, and that he trusts that when they see the governor will help them, and this case will be withdrawn from court. My people, not be small. That was how, Papet now left and became so happy that everything will be okay now. Only allegedly, after like a week, the friend now called him that he has organized the date, the time. The friend now called him that he has booked him, for a date, time that he can see the governor. So they said Papet was very happy. So when that day came, Papet now carry yoyoyo. They now went to see Gov.Soludo of Anambra State. They say before they go there, with the happiness and joy that's in the heart of Grandpa. Grandpa was just very happy. So he warned Yoyoyo that when Yoyoyo will get to the governor's office, Yoyoyo should not, take that old eyes that used to see the man, and say that is how he's going to behave when he will see the governor. That, this man that we know before is no longer the man we are going to see today. He is now a governor. So you are going to respect him. You are going to talk to him like with humility. So Yoyoyo promised his father that everything will be okay. My people, not be small. They said Yoyoyo promised his father that everything will be okay. That was how the both of them now went to see the governor. So that was how Grandpa and Yoyoyo went to see the governor. They said when they arrived at the governor's office, the governor with them they now sat on the same table for them to present their case. Papa said Yoyoyo should speak first. Yoyoyo now spoke. That's they came because of this his marital issues, that the governor should help him. That the governor and his wife should help him and talk to his wife, May Edochie, that they can settle this case at home. That May Edochie should agree that they will carry this case from court to settle it at home. Like, they say Yoyoyo spoke. After Yoyoyo spoke, he now stopped. Okay. The governor asked Grandpa, what is that thing that he wants him to do? Grandpa now said that to cut the whole story short, that what the Edochie want is peace. That they want the governor to help them. The governor and his wife should help them and talk to May Edochie. That's everything is not about court. That they want to carry this case from court. They want to withdraw this. They want May Edochie to withdraw this case from court. They can handle this case at home. They said that was how Papet began to speak, began to explain why it's good that this case should be settled at home. So after all the blah from Pet Edochie, the governor now said, now they are Kasara boss to my people. Governor of Anambra State now told Papet that see this particular matter, that they did not play their card well. That he, the governor of Anambra State, had a wife that is with him in his house. That he can never do such rubbish when Yoyoyo do to his wife. He can never play with his marriage the way that Yoyoyo played with his marriage. To the extent that May has to go to court. That May, let him just tell them if they don't know. That before they will realize that this case should be settled at home. That May is sure that May has considered all these things they are saying before she went to court. May know that if this case is withdrawn from court, it's being settled at home, it will not favor her. That was why May went to court. That the way they play the whole game is not it. The governor got pissed off that Yoyoyo, did not play this whole game. If May was his sister, will he allow a man to treat his sister the way he treated me? That he, who is the governor of Anambra State, that he's a man, and that he is not only a man, he is a man that loves his family. He's a man that loves to care about his family. That in this very matter, he cannot step into it. That to him is, he feels that May had just done what she's supposed to do as a woman. That so many women are actually suffering in their marriage because of maybe ignorance, lack of money that they will use in pursuing their case, and a lot of things that will, societal pressure. They are thinking of what the people around them will say. So many women are suffering in marriage. If not that May Edochie come from a very strong family, that the governor did not know what Yo would have done to this woman, because Yo is influential. The Edochies are influential. Because May come from a very strong family. That is why they are now doing this way they are doing. That he, the governor of Anambra State, cannot ask May to withdraw this case from court, because he feels that May has just taken the best decision. That this thing that May has done is not only going to be, favoring May, but it's also going to help, to open the eyes of other women that are suffering in their marriage. Not be small. They say this governor Hala, Gov.Soludo of Anambra State, Hala. They say he talked to Pet, like Pet had to just got annoyed. Pet had to just got angry and was like asking the governor if there's no way he can help them. The governor say yes. I and my wife cannot step into this case. And one of the reasons that will not allow me to step into this case is that this case is not like any case you can just pass behind and call the judge, because the eye of the world, everybody is watching how this case is going. You cannot pay bribe. You cannot just know that they should allow the judge, the court, to take their decision on this matter, because they never play their game well, because they never take their responsibility as in-laws and husbands of May Edochie. So he cannot come into this case, he cannot step into it, he cannot take any decision in it, that they should allow the court to take decisions and do what is good in this matter. That was how I heard, allegedly, that Yoyoyo and Grandpa went out angrily from the governor of Anambra State's office. My people not be small. As I gathered this information, I was like, wow. You see, this May Edochie's issue, God is actually in it. The hand of God is in it. I'm telling you, not just look at the type of connection that these people have, that they can reach out to anyone they want to reach out to in this country, and yet they never find solutions to their problem. That's we tell you that now God, they fight for our beautiful queen. I tell you, God is actually, God's hand is in this matter. Nobody should joke with a woman that carry grace. So if you see her say they anoint her from Bele, say that woman carry God's grace, you just give her her way, let her go. But why are the Edochies worrying like this? My people, why are the Edochies disturbing themselves like this? At this stage of this case, they should be able to know that there is nothing they will do that will enable May Edochie to withdraw this case from court. The woman has made up her mind because of how they treated her. Before a woman would take this kind of, drastic action against the father of her children, this woman was in hell for about 18 years in this marriage. So I don't know why they are worrying like this. When this woman was with them, they never knew she was a good daughter, that they would protect her and protect her marriage. They were favoring their sons all through this marriage. And now they are crying. It's now they are now saying that May is a good daughter. They are not moving from making eye connection. So this are not a small connection. They want her to come back to be in that same hell that she was. When God don't bring her from the pit. What is wrong with this Edochies? Anyway, my people, as I gathered this story, that this was the Kukere movement where Yoyoyo and his papa actually went on few days ago. They felt they can pay bribe. They can ask the governor to come with automatic power to withdraw this case from court, but it failed them because the hand of God is in this matter. Anyway, my people not be small. The governor of Anambra said their Edochies should allow the court to take their decision, based on how they have studied and see this case. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.